Question number 66 onward, these 5 are based on set of numbers. Now in this set of numbers, first priority or the second priority? Definitely under the first priority itself. Then the difference between the first and the second digits in how many numbers is greater than the third digit of the same number or not? What is your answer in this case? The difference between which two? First and the second is, now here the difference between these two is how much? 6 minus 9 is 3. Now is it greater than third digit or lesser than? Lesser than, hence it cannot be your answer. 2 minus 9, 7, it is greater than. 5 minus 7, it is not greater than. 4 minus 2, not greater than 3. 8 minus 4, not greater than. Hence what is your answer here? 1, that is choice 1, question number 66. Then 67, the product of the second and the third digits in which of the following numbers is the highest? Now here the product of these two is how much? 45. And next one, this is 56. Then which is the highest here? And 56, 578, that is choice 1. And 68. Now the first and the third digits of all the given numbers are interchanged. Which of the following will become the second highest or not? Second highest. Which digit is coming to the first place? Third digit. Among the third digits, we need to find out which is the second highest. And here third digits on 5, 1, 8, 3, 6. So second highest is in this 6. Then in this one, and which of the following will become the second highest number? 846, that is choice 3. And 69. 4 is added to the third digit of all the odd numbers. And 3 is subtracted from the third digit of all even numbers. How many numbers thus found will a digit appear twice? Will a digit appear twice? These type of questions. You need to write down all the numbers. Numbers are raskon. And 4 is added to the third digit means this will be 699. And here 290, how much? 5. And next one 420 and 7. And coming to these even numbers, 3 is subtracted. Now 3 is subtracted, this is 575. Next here 843. And so here in this one, how many digits? The digits were appeared twice. 9 appeared twice and 5 appeared twice. And so 2, that is choice 5, question number 69. And 78, if all the digits of the given numbers are arranged in the descending order within the number, what will be the sum of the second and the third digits of the second lowest number or not? Second lowest number and Japan. Now the digits are arranged in the descending order. Descending order means which digit comes to the first place? The highest digit in that number. And the highest number ikkada 9 ochindi, ikkada 9 ochindi, ikkada 8 ostundi, ikkada 4, ikkada 8. Then which is, what will be the sum of the second and the third digits of the second lowest number? Now second lowest number is and 875 and 864. 864 is the second lowest. Now the sum of the second and the third, 6 plus 4. What is your answer? 10 is the answer. Done? Now follow here. If all the digits of the given numbers are arranged in the descending order within the number. Within the number, if the numbers are arranged in the descending order 965, and this is 921, and this is 875, and this would be 432, and here it is 864. Now in this one, second lowest number. And which is the lowest here? 431. Second lowest, 864. Now in this one, sum of the second and the third, 6 plus 4, that is 10. Clear? Then next one, 71 onwards. Now in this question number 71 to 73, these three are based on comparisons. Now 6 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 6 people are there. Now these 6 people, L earns more than only 2 people. L earns more than only 2 people means where is L? L is here. L is more than only 2 people and lesser than the remaining 3. And next one, N earns less than L. N is lesser than L but more than Q. N is lesser than L but more than Q. And next, M does not have the highest. M is at this place. M does not have the highest. O earns lesser than M. Hence M is here, O is here. Then who is the person left over here? P is the person left. Then which of the following is true? And at the same time, the person who earns second highest is 85,000. Hence this M earns 85 and the second lowest N earns 28. Then according to this one, which of the following is true with respect to O? O has the highest income, that is false. O has more income than N, definitely true, choice 2. And next one, question number 72. And 72, who among the following has less income than only one person? Less income than only one person, that is M. M is the answer choice 2. M is having lesser than only P, and he is having more than the remaining 4 people. And who among the following possibly earns 65,000? And 65 in between O and L. Now in between M and N, O or L, and which among the following has less income than only one person? 73. Either O or L, choice 1, question number 73. Then 74 to 78 chapter. First or the second priority. 7 people, and Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And at the same time, one of the parameters added to this one. As one parameter is added, first chestara, second chestara. Second chestara, fine. Then ఎందుకంటే ఇంతవరకు ఏది వదిలేదు కాబట్టి సెకండ్కి మనం షిఫ్ట్ చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకేదైనా దీనికైనా డిఫికల్ట్ ఉంటే అప్పుడు ఇది చేసి దాన్ని వదిలేయాలి. బికాజ్ యూ కెనాట్ లీవ్ మోర్ దెన్ 5 questions టు ద సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ. దెన్ కమింగ్ టు దిస్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 79 and 80. 79 and 80 చెప్పండి. బ్లడ్ రిలేషన్స్. ఏ ఈజ్ ద ఫాదర్ ఇన్ లా ఆఫ్ బి అంటే ఎలా చేయాలి? A is the father-in-law of B means B's spouse's father is A. A is the father-in-law of B. B is married to whom? B is married to C. D is the son of C. D is the son of B and C. And G is the wife of D. G is the wife of D. And with the help of this one, how is C related to Z? How is C related to Z? Now this C is, now G is husband's father or mother. If this C is a male, father-in-law or female, and mother-in-law, hence cannot be determined, choice 1. Must saripinda. Then if Y is the wife of A, Y is the wife of A means Y and A are married couple, A is a male and Y is a female. Then how is D related to Y? Y is son or daughter's son, that is grandson, choice 4, question number 80. Then 81 onwards, 81 to 85 chestara. Now 81 to 85, and now how many persons are there? There are 12 persons altogether. And 12 persons were there. They were seated in a row facing towards north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And these 12 are facing towards north. And A is not an immediate neighbor of O. And A and O are not adjacent to each other. A is not an immediate neighbor of O. And O and R. A is not an immediate neighbor of O and R. A is not adjacent to O and R. F is not an immediate neighbor of B. F and B cannot be adjacent to each other. And M sits third to the left of C. M is seated third to the left of C. And A sits third from left hand of the line. The crucial information. Definite information, A is third from this end. A sits third from left hand of the line. Only 3 persons between C and M. And only 3 persons between M sits to the left of C. M is to the left of C, and at the same time, how many persons are there in between? There are exactly 3 people. Now 3 people between M and C. M is to the left of C. And next, B sits third to the right of A. B is seated third to the right of A. B is at this place. And next, only 2 persons between P and F. Now in between P and F, there must be exactly 2 people. P in between P and F. Q sits second to the right of E. Q is seated second to the right of E. And E and Q, the order must be like this. And A sits second to the left of D. D is here. A sits second to the left of D. And next one, R is not at any one of the extremities. R cannot be in these 2 places. And next, and only 5 people between A and N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. N is here. Only 5 people between A and N. And C is not an immediate neighbor of P. C and P cannot be adjacent to each other. Minte kada information manaki. Then let us start working out this. Dento start cheddam. Now M and C. Endu cheppanu because there are 3 persons in between these 2. As M and C, M is to the left of C. Can we have M at this place? Let us write down the possibilities. M ikkada undocha? M ikkada unte 1, 2, 3, C and D must be in the same place. Not possible. Clear? Can we have M at this place? No. If M is here, then what happens here? 3 persons between, and B and P must be in the same place. Not possible. Clear? M cannot be in these 2 places. Then what is the next possibility? Can we have M at this place? If M is here 1, 2, 3, then C will be at this place, isn't it? And if C is here M and C, then P and F. P and F must be adjacent to each other. P and F must be adjacent to each other. M cannot be in these 2 places. M is here. P and F are adjacent to each other. And P. Now we cannot have P at this place. అవునా కదా, because C and P cannot be adjacent to each other. And at the same time, B and F are not adjacent to each other. That means P and F cannot be in these two places. If P and F cannot be in these two places, then P and F cannot be here as well. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఉండకూడదు. ఎందుకు చెప్పండి, ఇక్కడ ఉంటే C ప్లేస్లో again P and F ఇక్కడికి రావాలి. And we cannot have P and F like this, P and F like this. Hence there is no possibility for this P and F. All here లేదా? Hence C cannot be, M cannot be at this place. As M cannot be here, then what is the other possibility for this M? In between to the immediate right hand side of B. Immediate right hand side of B try చేద్దామా? And here M is at this place. M is here, how many persons in between these two? 3 persons. M and C, there are 3 persons. If M and C, there are 3 persons here, then coming to this P and F. Now P and F, where can we have this P and F? P and F cannot be at this place because there must be exactly 2. And P and F cannot be here. P and F cannot be here. Then what is the only possibility we have? P or F must be in these 2 places. And they get the P or F. Now if P or F in these 2 places, then E and Q. E and Q must be in the alternate. And C and P are not adjacent to each other. C and P are not adjacent to each other. M and C. A is not adjacent to O and R. F and B are not adjacent. సరిపోయినాయి కదా ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అంతా. Then what is the other information we have? R cannot be at this place. Now this E and Q. Where can we fix this E and Q here? E or Q can be in these 2 places. This is one such possible. ఇలా ఉండొచ్చు లేదా E or Q? And E is to the immediate left of Q కాబట్టి E is here, second to the left of Q. Then if E and Q, C is not an immediate neighbor of P. Then any other information that is left over here? R cannot be at the extreme ends, R is here. And if R is here, who is the person left over? O is the person. O ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? O must be at this place. And but whereas A is not adjacent to O and R. A is not adjacent to O and R. ఇక్కడ A and R are adjacent to each other. Is it possible? And this M at this place is also ruled out. Then, hence what is the only possibility we have left now? మనకి మిగిలిపోయింది ఒకటే పాసిబిలిటీ. ఏంటది? M and C must be like this. M is here. If M is here and there are 3 persons between M and C, C is here. సరిపోయిందా? If M and C were in these 2 places, then E and Q. Where can we have this E and Q? E and Q must be in the alternate places. E is here and Q is here. And then P and F. Now in between P and F, tell me where should this P? And if P is at this place, because B and F are not adjacent. And if P is here, 1 to F at this place. And F is here, R cannot be at the extreme and R is here. And if R is here, who is the person left over? O is the person left. Done with this? Now this is the final arrangement we have. Then how many persons sit between R and C? Now in between R and C, how many people? There is no person, there is none. Choice 181. And 82, who is sitting at the ends? O and C are at the ends, that is choice 182. And what is the position of N with respect to P? N with respect to P is second to the right. Now second to the right, that is choice 4, question number 83. And how many persons sit between C and A? Now in between C and A, how many are there? 3, 6, 8. 8 persons, more than 4, choice 5. And 4 out of the following means odd one out. E and D. And E is third to the left of D. N and C. N is third to the left of C. O and Q. O is third to the left of Q. R and M. And R is third to the right of M. Hence, what is your answer? Choice 4 is odd 185. Then 86. Now in this 86, it is based on condition based. And if each vowel of the word dialect is changed to the next letter. Now the question is about what? Dialect. D-I-A-L-E-C-T. Now each vowel is changed to the next letter. Vowel changed to the next letter, I will become J, A will become B, and E will become F. And a consonant previous letter C, and this is K, this is B, and S. And then all the alphabets as formed are arranged in alphabetical order from left to right. Which of the following will be third from the right? Third from the right means the highest letter will be at the right hand side. And the previous highest will be K, and the next one is J. Hence J is third from the right, that is choice 3, question number 86. The next one, 87 and 88. These two are based on directions. Now here, Abhilasa starts walking towards west from point S. S is here, and she walks for how many meters? 10 meters. and she walks for 10 meters. She then takes left turn and walks for 25 meters. And left hand side, 25 meters. She then takes right turn and walks for 15 meters. And she again takes right turn and stops at point Q after walking 20 meters. After walking 20 meters, this person is at point Q. Then, if X is 25 meters to the east of Q on east of Q, what is the distance for 25? Now this is 15 plus 25, 10. And X is here. Then, what is the distance? How far is S from X? Now the distance between these. Out of this 25, this is equals to 20 and this is 5. And the distance between S and X is how much? 5 meters. Choice 3, 87. Then 88. And in which direction is Q with respect to S? Now Q with respect to X, in order to reach to Q from S, first I need to move towards south and west to southwest. And southwest, choice 3, question number 88. Then next one. 89 onwards, it is based on sequence. And 4 out of the following 5. 4 out of the following 5 is nothing but an odd man out. Then we need to find out the difference between the elements. Chappan, and L. And ki L ki mazda enno na chapani? Plus 1. And L and J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Hence plus 1 plus 5. N and 2. N ki 2 ki mazda plus 1. And 2 and U, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Here again 2 and 5 is the difference. W and A. W and 8 is plus 1. And A and copyright 1, 2, 3. A and copyright 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and so on. And so what is the odd one here? Choice 3 is the odd one. Except 3. And in the remaining, the difference between the elements is, what is the difference here? 1, 5, 1, 5, 1, 5. 89. And if all the letters are dropped from the above arrangement, then which of the following will be ninth element from the right hand. Ninth element from the right hand without the letters. Start counting here without the letters. Ninth element from the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ninth element. Ninth element is what? Pound, that is choice 2. 90th. And 90, how many such letters are there? The question is about a letter. And each of which is immediately followed by a number and preceded by a symbol. And the sequence should be symbol, letter and a number. Let us start with a symbol, not followed by letter. Now this symbol not followed by letter. Symbol followed but not followed by a number. Symbol, letter and a number. Undareda. And dollar. And next, N and 2. Now N is a letter and which is immediately preceded by symbol dollar and followed by number 2. And next one, symbol, letter and a number. Now this symbol, letter but not number. And symbol, letter but not number. Symbol, letter but not number. Symbol, letter and a number. Symbol, letter and a number. And how many are there? There are 2 of such type. 2, that is choice 1. Percentage, Z and 9. And so there are 2 of such category, choice 1, 91. 92, what should come in the place of question mark? Then start working with the first one, D and R. D and R, what is the difference here? Sorry, D and star. D to star, what is the difference? Plus 3. Star and A plus 3. And A and N plus 3. Next one plus 3 is N. The first letter is N. Plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 among the first letters. Then second, R and W. R and W plus 3. And W and 8. W and 8 plus 3. And next one plus 3 is dollar. Dollar plus 3, what is the next element here? 1, 2, 3, copyright. N and copyright. And so we are left with these 2 choices. And what is the last element we have? M and 7. My M ki 7 ki major difference chepandi? Minus 2. And next one 7 and 3. Minus 2. 3 and 9. 9 and percentage. 9 and percentage. Then what is your answer? Choice 2, 92. And next 93. And which of the following is 9th element to the left of 17th from the left? 9th left, 17th left. Left and left means same direction. Then subtract between these 2. 17 minus 9 is so much? 8. 8th from the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And so choice 3, question number 93. Then 94 onwards. Now chesara 94. Coded inequalities. Now in this one, what is the first one? We have T and K. K is sir, T is sir. K lesser than T, T greater than K. And next one M and J. M is 2 opposite symbols, so no relation. Only one is to choice 5, 94. And 95. The relation between E and G. 2 opposite symbols, so no relation. R and I. Again 2 opposite symbols, no relation, neither one nor 2, choice 3, 95. Then 96. And 96 C and R. Both the conclusions are in between C and R. R is R lesser than or equals to C. C is either greater or equal. either greater or equal, that is choice for 96. Then 97. Now in this 97, the relation between E and N. Now E greater than or equals to N lesser than or equals to E, N greater than E is false. And the relation between C and O, C lesser than or equals to O, O greater than or equals to C. Hence only 2 follows, that is choice 297. And 98, F lesser than O, O and F. Now between O and F, O greater than F, F lesser than O. And G and E, E greater than G, G lesser than E. Hence both 1 and 2, choice 198. And next 99 and 100. Now in this 99 and 100, now some of the books are what? Some books are syllogisms. Now these are the books that are pens, and all these pens are what? All pens are ink. And next one, only a few ink are papers. Only few ink are paper, but not all. Only some ink can be paper, but not all. And this is a pen. And next one, all these papers are what? Tables. This entire paper is a part of this table. Then first one, some tables are ink. That is definitely true. There is an intersection between these. Table ఎంత వరకు వచ్చింది, ink ఎంత వరకు వచ్చింది. మరి ట్రూ అయిందా లేదా? అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఆల్ టేబుల్స్ కెన్ బి పెన్స్. టేబుల్స్ అన్ని పెన్స్ అవ్వచ్చు అన్నాడు. అవ్వచ్చా లేదా? అవ్వచ్చా టేబుల్స్ అన్ని పెన్స్? మరి టేబుల్స్ అన్ని పెన్స్ అంటే టేబుల్ ఎక్కడికి వచ్చింది? టేబుల్ ఇక్కడ వస్తే టేబుల్తో పాటు ఏమొచ్చింది? పేపర్ కూడా వచ్చింది. మరి పేపర్ అంతా పెన్లోకి రావచ్చా? మరి రావచ్చా రాకూడదు? ఇప్పుడు మనకి టేబుల్స్ అన్ని పెన్స్లోకి రావచ్చా రాకూడదు? టేబుల్స్ వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, టేబుల్తో పాటు పేపర్ కూడా వస్తుంది కదా. మరి పేపర్ రావచ్చా లోపలికి? రావచ్చా రాకూడదా? రావచ్చు కదా. ఎందుకు రాకూడదు? ఇది ఇందులోకి రాకూడదు. పెన్ను పేపర్లోకి వెళ్ళకూడదు. పేపర్ పెన్లోకి రావచ్చు కదా. క్లియర్? దిస్ ఎంటైర్ పెన్ కెనాట్ బి పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ పేపర్, బట్ దిస్ పేపర్ కెన్ బి a part of this pen. Clear? Hence it can be. కానీ all tables can be pens is possible. Hence what is your answer? Both 1 and 2, that is choice 5, question number 99. Then coming to 100, 100 చెప్పండి. And some SO3s are CO2. Now these are the SO3s that are CO2. And next one, CO2. And only a few CO2 or HO2. Only a few CO2 or HO2. Only some CO2s or HO2s, but not all. No H2O and no H2O is O2. No intersection between H2O and O2. And all these O2s are PO4. Inte kada information. And first one, some PO4s are not CO2. And this some PO4s are not CO2 as of now. Some CO2s are not O2s, this is also true. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఏం అవ్వాలి చెప్పండి? రెండు నెగిటివ్ కంక్లూజన్స్. అండ్ ఆల్ POs ఆర్ CO2s. ఆల్ POs ఆర్ CO2 అంటే POs ఇంతలోకి రావచ్చా లేదా? ఇది దేంతో కలవకూడదు చెప్పండి? O2 దీంట్లో కలవకూడదు. దాంతో కలవకుండా నేను ఐ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు బ్రింగ్ దిస్ వన్. హెన్స్ ఆల్ ఈజ్ ట్రూ అండ్ దిస్ సమ్ నాట్ విల్ బి ఫాల్స్. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్, సమ్ CO2s ఆర్ నాట్ O2s అన్న. ఇది ఫాల్స్ అవ్వాలంటే ఆల్ CO2s ఆర్ O2. CO2s మొత్తం దేంట్లోకి రావాలి? O2లోకి రావాలి. ఇలా O2లోకి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, O2 HO2 కలుస్తున్నాయి, ఈ రెండు కలవకూడదని అన్నాడు. అండ్ alternate diagram cannot be drawn, this will be true forever. Hence what is your answer? Only 2. Only 2 follows and it is given in choice 2, question number 100. Done with this? Now 30 అయిపోయినాయి. Now we have left with one more question. What is that one we left at the very beginning? Question numbers 74 onwards. ఇప్పుడు 74 చేద్దాం. Now in this question number 74 to 78, now all together we have some 7 people. A, B, C, D, F and G are the 7 people. They have to attend some kind of parties on 7 different days. And what are the days we have? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Then in this case, Monday to Sunday. Then coming to condition number 1. On 7 different days, and the gifts were also clearly given. Each person decided to give a different present. Then first one, A has to attend a party on which day? Thursday. Hence A Thursday, that is fixed. And next one, C decided to give silver coin. Now this C silver coin, and he has to attend a party on one of the days after N. After A, one of the days after A, it could be either Friday, Saturday or Sunday, 3 possibilities, isn't it? And C is after this A. And next one, after A, the one who decided to give wall clock has to attend a party immediately after G. Immediately after G, who is that person here? The one who has decided to give wall clock. And that means G and wall clock must be together. And G does not have his party on any one of the days after Tuesday. That means G can be either on Monday or Tuesday. Tuesday తర్వాత కాదన్నాడు. Tuesday తర్వాత కాదంటే అయితే మండే అవ్వచ్చు లేకపోతే Tuesday అవ్వచ్చు. And so many possibilities we have? Two possibilities. And two possibilities for whom? And two possibilities for this G. And so G can be on Tuesday or G can be on Monday. అంతే కదా? Two possibilities. If G is on Tuesday and wall clock, the one who has decided to give wall clock must be immediately after this G. ఇక్కడ కూడా wall clock is immediately after this G. Now we have done with this information. Then and next only three people have to attend the party between G and. In between G and ఎంతమంది చెప్పండి? There must be exactly three people. Now here in this case E must be on Friday. And E does not have a party on Saturday. Now in the first case E is having a party on Saturday. Hence this case is ruled out. Now we have left with only the second case. And next one, F decided to gift colon. Now this F has decided to give what? Colon. And cash is gifted on Sunday. Now Sunday, what is the gift here? Cash is on Sunday. And but not by B. Hence B cannot be at this place. And only three people have parties between the one dress and the one frames. And frames is not gifted on Monday. Now between dress and frames we need to have exactly three people. అంతే కదా? And dress and this one there must be exactly three people. And C is after this A అన్నాడు కదా? And C is after this A and C must be silver coin. And C is silver coin. ఇది ఒకటే కదా possibility. Now C silver coin is done. And ఇది అయిపోయింది. And next one F is colon. And where should this F? F must be here. Now this must be colon. And this also has been done. Now we were left with the last information. Three people between dress and frames. And dress and frames, three people. And frames is not gifted on Monday. And so dress must be gifted on Monday. 1, 2, 3, frames is here. Now if frames is here, what is the only thing left over here? ఇంకోటి అయితే మిగిలిపోయింది gift. Yes, what is the gift? Cutlery. Now cutlery is left over. And persons. Now B cannot be on Sunday. Hence B is here. B is here. Who is the person left? D is the person left. Then ఈ రెండు కంపేర్ చేయండి. క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 74 to 78 and at the same time and 81 to 85. రెండిట్లో ఏది డిఫికల్ట్? 81 to 85 డిఫికల్ట్. మీరు అదే ఎంచుకున్నారు ఫస్ట్. జనరల్ ఇది ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ పెడతారేమో అనుకున్నారు, సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ అన్నారు మీరు. ఇన్ జనరల్ డేస్ వచ్చినప్పుడు అంత కంగారు పడాల్సిన ఫ్లోర్స్ అండ్ డేస్ ఈజీగా చాలా చేసాం ఇప్పటికేమో. అందులో మనకి రో ఈజీ, రో దట్టు నార్త్ ఈజ్ ఈజీ. ఎంతవరకు 7 or 8 members అప్ టు 9. అది 12 members ఉంది. లేదా 12 members ఉంది. అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ చాలా తక్కువ ఉంది. ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ తక్కువ ఉందంటే ఏమవుతుంది? పాసిబిలిటీస్ పెరిగిపోతాయి. దెన్ మీరు రెండు కంపేర్ చేయండి. ఏది తక్కువ టైంలో అయింది, ఇది తక్కువ టైంలో అయింది. ఎటువంటి టెన్షన్ లేదు. అది ఎన్నిసార్లు చెక్ చేసాం? 4 times చెక్ చేసాం. అది దెన్ అందుకే అక్కడ అంతసేపు అడిగా మీరు ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ ఏది పెడతారు, సెకండ్ ఏది పెడతారు అనేసి. అండ్ నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ చూజన్ దిస్ యాజ్ ద సెకండ్, దట్ యాజ్ ద ఫస్ట్. అందుకే ఏం చేస్తారు ఆ టైంలో మనం డిస్కస్ అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారు? మీరు ఆల్రెడీ 83 to అది మనం ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ కింద డిసైడ్ చేశారు. ఇది కొంతవరకు వెళ్ళారు. వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది చెప్పండి? స్టక్ అయిపోయారు అక్కడ. ఎం అండ్ సిని మనం ఫైనలైజ్ చేయలేం. పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, డెఫినెట్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. దాన్ని పక్కన పెట్టి అప్పుడు దీనికి రావాలి. అప్పుడు దీన్ని ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ పెడతారు, దాన్ని సెకండ్ ప్రయారిటీ పెడతారు. అండ్ మీన్ వైల్ అంతేకాని దాన్ని ఎలా పట్టుకున్న 15 గంట 20 నిమిషాలు టైం వేస్ట్ చేయవద్దు. దెన్